Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker QCY SP7 available for your iPhone? And I already installed QCY application. I also set up it. Now we can check supported devices for this application. To do this, we need to click Add Device, and right here at the bottom click at All Products. So we need to speaker. We click on it, and right here we have only one speaker, and this is our speaker because we have QCY SP7. So my short answer is yes, the application available for your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add this speaker to the app, you can check these videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!